I'm Jenna.
I'm Raleigh.
And I'm Eric.
Today we're going to show you how to make stuff out of pony beads, also known as candy.
So we're gonna make singles. You'll start by putting beads on a string.
Once you're done, you tie the ends of the string together about 2 to 4 times. This is so your bracelet will be secure and won't break. And boom, you have a single. Super easy to make. Now we will show you how to make candy stars. You need 10 beads of your first color. Then you're going to tie it into a circle and push the beads around to form a pentagon. Make sure to cut off the short piece of string, not the long one. This is going to be your base. Next, take 3 beads of your next color and string them onto the long piece of string. This next part might be a little confusing, so watch carefully. You're going to take your string and skip 1 bead and string it into the next bead over, and then pull. You're going to repeat these steps until you reach the end of the base. Once you're done, you take the leftover string and poke it through the center of one of your points. You make a loop and place the end of the string through the loop and pull. Do this 2 to 4 times so that your star doesn't break.
There you have it. You have a candy star. You can trade these, give them out to friends, or keep them as good luck charm or fidget.
Thank you so much for watching our candy tutorial. We hope you learned a lot. This is presented to you by Raleigh, Jenna, and Merrick. Bye!